Welcome to an in-depth exploration of transformers, essential devices in modern electrical systems. This video, part 1, will introduce their fundamental purpose and intricate construction. At its core, a transformer is a static electrical device that transfers electrical energy between two or more circuits through electromagnetic induction. Its primary function is to change voltage levels, either stepping up voltage for long-distance transmission or stepping down for safe distribution and use. Transformers are indispensable, enabling efficient power delivery from generation plants to homes and industries, minimizing energy loss over vast distances. Without them, our modern electrical grid, and thus our daily lives, would be vastly different, facing significant challenges in power distribution. Let's delve into the fundamental components that make up these crucial devices, starting with the core. The core provides a low-reluctance path for the magnetic flux, efficiently linking the primary and secondary windings. It is typically made of thin laminations of silicon steel, which are insulated from each other to reduce eddy current losses. Next, we examine the windings, which are coils of insulated wire wrapped around the core. The primary winding connects to the input voltage source, while the secondary winding delivers the transformed voltage to the load. These windings are usually made of copper or aluminum, chosen for their excellent electrical conductivity. Insulation is critical to prevent short circuits between turns of the windings and between the windings and the core. Common insulating materials include paper, oil, and special varnishes, all designed to withstand high electrical stresses. The transformer tank houses the core and windings, protecting them from the environment and often containing insulating oil. This tank is typically made of robust steel, designed to endure harsh outdoor conditions and provide structural integrity. Finally, bushings are insulated terminals that allow electrical connections to be made to the windings from outside the tank. They prevent flashovers between the high-voltage conductors and the grounded tank, ensuring safe operation. In summary, the core, windings, insulation, tank, and bushings are the foundational elements enabling a transformer's vital role in power systems. Understanding these components is key to appreciating the engineering marvel that is the transformer. Join us in part 2 for a deeper dive into its working principles.